How'd you like to start a side business for $7.32? I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is a fresh out PLR product called Refine Your Memory. Never forget anything again. And it's really a giveaway, a lead magnet. And so it shows you, I'll give you, this PLR product is $7.32 as we speak right now. Just came out this morning. And you're like, yeah, what am I going to do with a $7 PDF? Well, here's the part that is going to really make sense to you. A, you can edit the PLR. You're going to give this away. Oh, how am I going to make money? By giving something away. Step one, you're going to edit it a little bit at the back and put, hey, hope this helped you. For more information, check out this. And you're going to link to one. You're going to go to ClickBank and put in the search word memory. And you're going to get some memory things that pay 20, 30, 40 bucks. And you're going to put one of them in there. Secondly, everybody who signs up for this is done through a lead capture kind of thing. So you'll be grabbing their email addresses. You'll be sending them something out every, let's say, once a week. You could take every product on ClickBank that has a memory aspect to it, send it out once a week. You're going to make $10, $20, $30, $40 every time someone buys a product. And what did you pay for this? $7.32. It's can't miss kind of idea, giving away a memory course and then selling memory, bigger, more in-depth memory courses right out of it, gives you a side business. And all you have to do is give away this book. So it's about a 6,000 word report. It comes complete with, like I say, it's a business in a box. You got the lead capture, which is for the email and delivery pages. Here's your ebook. The graphics, the source files, rebrandable PLR, you can go in and change it, which is what you want to do at the back of this. You're giving it away. So you don't need to worry about the kind of changes you'd make if you were selling a PLR product. You're giving it away free. It's called Refine Your Memory. Here, take it. So if you're interested in memory, you're going to grab this. You're going to put it out on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, anywhere you want to put videos about it. You say, hey, get free memory book. And people who are interested will sign up and grab it. And it's just up to you to publicize that you got a free book about memory. And then you get people on your list and you both have at the end of the book a link to a memory product and you send them a memory product every week. Hey, more memory stuff. Hey, this is a different twist on memory. Hey, this is, you do a few of them and each of them links to a ClickBank product. Total investment, $7.32. You can use whatever the monkey one is that has the free, I think I searched under free autoresponder, and that gets you whatever the monkey, I can't remember what the monkey thing is, and I use it, and I always have to search for it, and then go free autoresponder, and then look, monkey, that's what it is. I never remember it. Long story short, that's free. There's a slew of other free autoresponders, and it's just that you need to be able to build a certain size of list. So, as soon as you get to say they let you have 100 people or 1,000 people rings a bell with the monkey one. I think that's why I used it. So you'll find the monkey thing in there somewhere. I'm sorry, that's what I look for every time. And I think it's about 1,000 people you can use free. When it goes beyond that, you're going to need to pay money to have it. But if you get 1,000 people getting your memory emails, you're going to be making money and you're going to be very happy to pay for the upgrade to get even more people on your list. So if you can give stuff away, you can make money with this $7.32 memory course. Go check it out. I'm going to put the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Then you click the product box and you can grab Refine Your Memory. Let me see if I can give you some more. I don't know if I even scrolled around a bit here. Let's give you a nice blah, 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 blah. There's a table of contents. You can scroll through all this yourself. And that gives you a nice big picture. And like I say, $7.32. So I'll put it there. Here's the giveaway page up here. If you can give this away, you can make money. Check it out, $7.32. Links in the video description to take you to my site. It's called Refine Your Memory, PLR offer. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Fresh out today, PLR, Refine Your Memory.